How to secure your online account, best practices and tips. Welcome back, tech lovers. In today's video, we will dive into an essential topic: how to secure your online accounts. With the increasing reliance and digital platform, it's crucial to protect your personal and sensitive information. I'm your host, and let's get started. Before explaining these tips, I will first highlight this point, and then in the next 10 to 15 minutes, I will explain those points and tell you how it's work and what does it mean. So point number one is importance of account setting, account security. Number two is strong password practices. Number three is two-factor authentication, 2FA. Number four is be wary of phishing attempts, software update and patches, secure Wi-Fi and networks, review app permissions, account recovery option, biometric security, regular security audits, encryption and VPNs, social media privacy setting, safe online shopping, account deactivation. So, start with point number one, which is important of account security. Before we delve into the tips, let's understand why securing your online account is so important. Online threats are on rise, from data breaching to phishing attack. By taking proactive steps, you can safeguard your digital presence. So, first we need to understand why account security is important. Because as we are all have the presence, digital presence, so we need to secure yourself. Because all the information, our information out there, so we need to secure your accounts. So next point is strong password practices. As we discuss the importance of account security, now we will discuss strong password practices. We practice strong passwords. Our first line of defense is strong password practices. So our first defense, as I discussed, is our password. If we have a strong password, avoid using common password and opt into complex combination of letters. So try to use common password as people are using there. So try to make sure that you will use a complex combination of letters, numbers and symbols. Not use only letters, not use only symbols, not on numbers. Additionally, use a unique password for each account and proceed using a reputable password manager to keep track of them securely. One more thing, make sure not use the same password on multiple accounts. In this way, there is a chance for hack your account. Or if someone hack your one account, he will access all of your accounts. So moving forward, two-factor authentication, 2FA. As you set up a strong password, the next step is 2FA, an extra layer of security to your accounts. Layer up your security with two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra step to login process, making it much harder for unauthorized individual to access your account. We will show you how to enable 2F in different platforms. So when you add two-factor authentication, it means if someone access your account or trying to access your account, though so the app or the platform will not allow him because they ask for verification through two-factor authentication by sending message to your mobile number or your authentication app. As they don't access to these resources, so they cannot access your account. So moving forward, be wary of phishing attempts. Phishing attack can be deceivingly convincing. I will walk through how to recognize phishing email, text message and website. Remember, never share sensitive information unless you are absolutely sure of source authentication. If you are not sure about source authentication, never ever share your information. Software updates and patches. Keep your software up to date is vital. Update often include security patches that fix vulnerability hacker could exploit. We will guide you through the process of updating your operating system and apps. So moving forward, secure your Wi-Fi and networks. Your home screen can be a weak link if you secure properly. Learn how to get a strong Wi-Fi password, enable network encryption, and take advantage of firewalls and for-free your digital footprints. Review app permission. How many apps request access to various parts of your device. We will show you how to review and manage app application, limiting their access to only what necessary for their functionalities. Account recovery option. Sometimes, despite your best effort, you might still face an account breach. Learn how to set up account recovery option like alternate email address or phone number to regain access swiftly. Biometric security. Biometric security such as fingerprint and facial recognition add an extra layer of protection. We will explore how to set up and use these features on your device. Moving forward, regular security audit. Don't wait for a security breach and take action. Conduct regular security audit to identify and address potential vulnerability in your online account. Encryption and VPN. Keep your online activity private using encryption and vital private network VPN. We will explain how these technology work and how to implement them. Social media privacy setting. Your social media profile can reveal a lot about you. Adjust your profile privacy setting to control who can see your post and personal information. Safe online shopping. Shopping online, stay safe by using reputable website, ensuring the connection is secure. Look for HTTPS and using secure payment method. Account deactivation. If you are no longer using an account, it's best to deactivate or delete it. We will guide you through the step to cleaning up the digital footprint. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to secure your online account. By following these best practices and tips, you will significantly reduce the risk of falling victim of cyber crime. Remember, your digital security is in your hand. Stay safe and stay secure And until next time, happy teching.